My name is Everett Best, also known as Evervado. I like to just create. I create clothes. 4 or 5 years ago, I started with my father, and basically, I want to see people dress like how I dress or how I envision them to dress. So the only way to translate that and to get that to be done is to make the clothes. You get that whiplash factor when you're walking down the street. Someone, might just break the neck to see, what denim you're wearing or what leather it is. Lease on Life Society was started, I want to say, 5 or 6 years ago. Me and Vel did a collab like early 2015. We did like 2 pair of denim. But then it just got to a point where it was just like, yo, you should just like work for like Lease and just like creative direct for Lease.
My name is Norvell Beckles, also known as Velbeck to the internet. I mean, yeah. It's just all about the culture. That's what it's about. And I'm a designer / creative director from New York. One day I came home, I spent probably like $900 on clothes. Mom was like, you spent $900 on clothes, you should probably just make clothes. And then like, that's when it like clicked for me, and I was just like, yo, I think I'm just gonna make clothes. And I literally just never stopped making clothes. And after that collab, I'll just continue to like stick with Lease on Life and like learn things from Ev. I had a lot to learn from him, he had a lot to learn from me, so it just like fit.
Without the internet, there would be no Lease on Life, because that's how we were able to like solidify our fan base from the start. You link up with influencers, kids with dope style, and they wear your product, and then it just builds from there. It's just word of mouth.
What if we could like bring all these kids that are like super cool or on the internet doing their own thing together for Lease? We just want to like keep pushing the idea of like you could be yourself, like you could create and like
be cool,
not be in the box.
I know with Lease what we try to do with like a lot of pieces to make them like multi-functional.
We try to just enhance them and like put a twist on them. Maybe if you make a jacket or a pair of pants that is like 2 pieces within one. These pants here, like how Ev can show you that they zip.
Clothes have been around for millions of years, so they're gonna be here way after we're gone. So as designers, we're just trying to make our mark.
It's just like always about like pushing the envelope and creating something that's like fresh and like new for people, you know what I mean?
It's not just about clothes, it's about enhancing people's lives overall.